Morning, everyone. We're here in Ontario at C-Max once again. Does he have any logos? No, there's his trucks though. About to do this GT3. I don't know what he did with this thing, but it is trashed beyond recognition. I don't even know whose car this is anymore. Yeah, but let's get started on this thing.
One eternity later.
Alright, you guys, just finished up with this GT3. Check it out. Look at that. Wheels are all clean. Carbon roof looks crazy. Look at that. And then interior. Let's see. All the lines everywhere. So many lines in here. Carpet lines, seat lines, ceiling lines, glove box lines. All the lines. Looks so good now.
Thanks for watching, you guys. Be sure to like, comment, follow, and share if you like this GT3.